Micolada, Micolada, Micolada. This episode is sponsored by one of one providers of business VoIP and IT services nationwide. All right, let's get started on how to make a Micolada. It's very easy. Take a nice chilled beer cup, fill it up about halfway with your favorite beer, just like that. All right, a little bit more. There we go, halfway. All right, take your favorite cola. I prefer Pepsi, but you can use Coca-Cola or any other brand. Fill up the cup, the other half. Just like that. You're going to get a nice head. Fantastic. I've frozen some Coca-Cola ice cubes, and we're going to put those right on top. Just like that. Let's put one more. And ladies and gentlemen, here you have a Micolada. Cheers.